Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Before we know about the arithmetic progression, we should know about sequence, series, and progression. Sequence. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. According to some rule. Sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. For example, suppose the nth term of any sequence is in the form of 3n plus 2 and we put n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. We get a1 equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to 5. a2 equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 equal to 8. a3 equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 11, etc. This is a form of sequence, and if we take another example of sequence and we put n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and we get a1 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. a2 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 minus 4, and a3 equal to minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 into 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, etc. This nth term is also formed as a sequence. Now we will discuss about the series. A series is a set of numbers to work with, which may vary as the problem changes. Suppose we take an example 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is a series. And next, progression. A sequence of numbers in which each terms differs from the succeeding term by a constant relation. The progression is sequence of numbers in which each term differ from the succeeding terms by a constant relation, which may be in the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Now let us start with the arithmetic progression. In short, we say it as AP. AP is a sequence of numbers in the form of e plus a, e plus d, e plus 2d dot dot is called an arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, where the term d is a constant number and is called and is and d is known as common difference, and a is the first term of an AP. Here we can see that in the sequence that in the arithmetic progression that a plus here sorry we can write it as a plus 0d, that is called that can be write in the form of a plus 1 minus 1 into d, a plus d second term we can write it as a plus 2 minus 1 into d, a plus 2d equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. If we follow this pattern till the nth term, we get the nth term a plus n minus into d, and the nth term as a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula of the nth term of an AP, where n the number of terms and the common difference d can be generalized as, we know that common difference is second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. So we can generalize it as nth term minus n minus 1th term. So common difference in general common difference d equal to an minus 1. Now let us take an example that we had to check that an equal to 4n square plus 2 is an AP or not. Here the nth term is given that an equal to 4n square. So if we want to find the common difference, let us see that the first term a1 equal to 4 into 1 square plus 2, that is 6, and the second term 4 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 26, and the third term 4 into 2 to the power 3 plus 2 equal to 34, and so on. Here we find that common difference a2 minus a1 equal to 18 minus 6 equal to 12, and again the common difference a3 minus a2 equal to 34 minus 18 equal to 16. Here we see that common difference is not same. So if the common difference is not equal, then it is not an AP. So En equal to 4n square plus 2 is not an AP. Now let us take another example, that find the nth term and common difference of an AP. 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 8 dot dot. The given AP is 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 8. Therefore, the common difference is D equal to minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3, and the nth term is En equal to A plus n minus 1 to D. Here we see that A is the first term and D is the common difference. So the first term is 1 and n is the number of term, which is n, and D is the common difference. So the value of D is minus 3. We can write it as minus 3n plus 4. This is the nth term of an AP. Now let us take another example. Find the AP whose first term is 10 and common difference is 3. Here the first term is 10 and common difference is 3. General form of the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D dot dot dot. So we can write the AP as 10, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 2 into 3, 10 plus 3 into 3, or 10, 13, 16, 19. This is an AP. Now let us take another example, that if the first term is minus 7 and common difference is 5, then find 18th term of AP. Here we have first term minus 7, common difference 5, and we know that the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into. So if we put the value of A and D, and we have to find the 18 terms though, so we put 18 in the place of n. We find that the value of 18 term is 78. Later we will discuss about the nth term of an AP from the n.